Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the top 10 best drones you can buy on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're a hobbyist, traveler, or an aspiring aerial cinematographer, this list has something for you. We'll look at drones with 4K and even 8K cameras, 3-axis gimbals, GPS features, obstacle avoidance, 5G FPV, and everything in between. And of course, we'll compare specs, highlight pros and cons, and tell you who each drone is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Buckle up. Let's take off. Number 1. ZLL SG909 Drone 4K, 3-axis gimbal plus obstacle avoidance. Starting off with a bang, the ZLL SG909 offers serious bang for your buck. You get a 4K UHD camera, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, and EIS, which together deliver some of the smoothest footage in its class. Key features: 3-axis gimbal plus EIS for ultimate video stability, 5G Wi-Fi FPV for long-range transmission, GPS smart return plus follow me, obstacle avoidance system, touchscreen remote control, brushless motors, foldable design for portability, performance. Flight time clocks in at around 25 minutes with a range of 800 m to 1200 m depending on interference. You'll also appreciate the smart flight modes like Circle Fly and Waypoint Flight. Intermediate to advanced users looking for high-quality video without breaking the bank. Pros: cinematic footage with gimbal plus EIS. Solid obstacle detection. Excellent value for the features. Touchscreen feels premium. Number 2. SG909 PRO MAX Mini Drone W/4K camera and built-in screen. Next up is a drone made for convenience, the SG909 PRO MAX. It's a mini drone with a 4K HD camera, GPS stabilization, and the standout feature, a 4.5-inch built-in display on the remote. No need to use your phone at all. Key features: built-in display rare at this price, 4K camera, GPS with smart return, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, foldable compact design, 1 key takeoff/landing, headless mode, beginners or casual users who want a quick, no-fuss flying experience. Pros: no smartphone required, easy to fly, compact and travel-friendly, decent camera for its size. Number 3. A25 PRO 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. The A25 PRO is where things start to get really serious. With an 8K camera, a true 3-axis gimbal, and full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, this drone brings pro-level features to budget-conscious buyers. Key features: 8K resolution, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, touchscreen remote, 360-degree obstacle detection, brushless motors, 25+ minute flight time, GPS smart flying, content creators, vloggers, and drone videographers who want cinematic footage on a budget. Pros: amazing video clarity and stability, 360 degrees safety net with obstacle avoidance, smart remote interface, strong GPS lock and flight precision. Number 4. V198 MAX Drone, foldable 8K for beginners. The V198 MAX offers a more casual approach to 8K footage. It's foldable, budget-friendly, and beginner-oriented, but still has GPS and brushless motors. Key features: 8K camera interpolated, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, foldable design, GPS return to home, intelligent flight modes, new pilots who want great resolution but can live without pro-grade gimbal stabilization. Pros: easy to travel with, great beginner drone, good value 8K option, handles decently in mild wind. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE under 249G with 4K and gimbal. If you want portability, the Potensic Atom SE is your drone. Weighing in under 249G, this drone packs a 4K camera, GPS, and a single-axis gimbal. Key features: sub 250G equals no FAA registration needed in many regions. 4K camera, single-axis gimbal for kilometers range, GPS flight stability, intelligent modes, follow, orbit, RTH, travelers, hikers, and casual flyers who want a lightweight drone with stable video. Pros: no registration hassle, long range, light and portable, beginner-friendly. Number 6. Xiaomi V198 Drone. This drone comes with an impressive 8K dual camera setup, 5G connectivity, and GPS navigation for accurate flight. It features omnidirectional obstacle avoidance to help prevent crashes, making it safer for beginners and pros alike. The image quality is stunning with sharp 8K footage, and the dual cameras offer versatile shooting angles. Flight control is smooth thanks to GPS stabilization, and the drone responds well even in windy conditions. The obstacle avoidance sensors add an extra layer of confidence. Pros: Ultra HD 8K dual cameras, 5G fast connectivity, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, stable GPS flight control. Number 7. Teeggi SG909 MAX GPS Drone. Equipped with a 4K camera, a 6 km range, and a built-in touchscreen remote, this foldable drone offers easy portability and precise control. It supports 360 degrees obstacle avoidance for safer flying. The 4K camera captures crisp and vibrant footage, while the 6 km transmission range is impressive for its price. The touchscreen remote is a game-changer, making navigation more intuitive. The foldable design means you can take it anywhere. Pros: 4K high-quality camera, 6 km control range, touchscreen remote, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, foldable and portable. Number 8. S159 GPS Drone. This drone boasts 8K dual cameras, 5G connectivity, and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. It also features a built-in screen on the controller for real-time FPV first-person view. The onboard screen makes flying super convenient without needing an external device. The drone delivers sharp video and smooth flight performance. The obstacle avoidance technology works well, reducing the risk of crashes. Pros: built-in FPV screen on controller, 8K dual cameras, 5G connectivity, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Number 9. U198 MAX PRO Drone. A professional-grade drone featuring an 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, brushless motors for quieter flight, GPS navigation, and automatic return functionality. The brushless motors provide a smooth and quiet flying experience. The automatic return is great for beginners who may lose sight of the drone. The 8K camera quality is excellent, capturing highly detailed shots. Pros: quiet, brushless motors, automatic return, 8K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, GPS stabilization. Number 10. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS Max Drone. This drone comes with an 8K camera, brushless motors, laser obstacle avoidance, and a foldable design. It's perfect for those looking for professional aerial footage with enhanced safety features. The laser obstacle avoidance system is highly responsive, providing excellent safety in complex environments. The foldable frame makes it travel-friendly, and the brushless motors ensure a stable flight. Pros: laser obstacle avoidance, foldable design, brushless motors for stability, 8K Ultra HD camera. So there you have it, the top 10 best drones for 2025. Whether you want Ultra HD 8K footage, advanced obstacle avoidance, or long-distance flying, these drones cover all the bases. My personal favorite is the ZLL SG909 Drone 4K because of its balance between features and price. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which drone you'd pick or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.